हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम एमएससी जूलॉजी 4th सेमेस्टर सब्जेक्ट बायोकेमिस्ट्री का लिपिड जर्नल स्ट्रक्चर क्लासिफिकेशन एंड फंक्शंस का स्टडी करेंगे, जिसका इंट्रोडक्शन है। लिपिड आर डाइवर्स ग्रुप ऑफ बायोमॉलिक्यूल एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ। दे आर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स primarily composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Although some lipids also contain phosphorus, nitrogen or sulfur. Like carbohydrates and protein, lipids are hydrophobic or amphipathic, meaning they are either insoluble or partially soluble in water, but soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol, either as alcohol, ether and chloroform. Lipids play a vital role in energy storage, structural component of cell membranes and signaling molecule. This essay explores the general structure, classification and functions of lipids with a focus on their biological importance. Definitions of lipids. Lipids are defined as a heterogeneous group of hydrophobic or amphipathic molecules that are soluble in non-polar organic solvents. These include fat, oil, wax, phospholipids, sterols, and other related compounds. General structure of lipids. The structural diversity of lipids arise from the wide variety of building blocks. They can be composed of. Most lipids share common features. First, hydrocarbon chain, long chain of carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen atoms, which are non-polar and hydrophobic. Glycerol backbone. Many lipids such as triglycerides and phospholipids are built on glycerol framework. Third, functional group. These include carboxyl group in fatty acids, hydroxyl groups in sterol, or phosphate groups in phospholipids. The basic building blocks of most lipids are fatty acids, long hydrocarbon chains with a terminal carboxyl group, and alcohol like glycerol or sphingosine. Classification of lipids. Lipids are broadly classified into the following categories based on their chemical structure and function. First, simple lipids, composed of fatty acids and alcohol. Examples: fats, triglycerides, ester of glycerols, and 3 fatty acids. They serve as energy reserve. Waxes, ester of long chain fatty acid with long chain alcohol, found in protective coating like bee wax. Second, compound lipids or complex lipid, contain fatty acids, alcohol and additional functional group like phosphate or carbohydrate. Example: phospholipid and glycolipid. Phospholipid contain phosphate group and are key component of cell membrane. Glycolipid contain carbohydrate group and play role in cell recognition. Third, derived lipids, derived from the hydrolysis of simple or complex lipid. Example: steroids and fat soluble vitamins. First, steroid include cholesterol, a precursor for steroid hormones. Second, fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins. Fourth, other lipid types include lipoprotein and eicosanoids such as prostaglandins. Functions of lipids. Lipids serve numerous critical biological roles. First, energy storage. Fats and oil are the most efficient energy storage molecule, providing 9 calories per gram Triglycerides stored in adipose tissue act as long-term energy reserve. Second, structural component. Lipids, particularly phospholipid and cholesterol, are essentially components of cell membrane, providing flexibility and selective permeability. Third, insulation and protection. Lipids help insulate the body against temperature changes and protect vital organs by cushioning them. 4. Signaling molecules. Lipids such as steroid hormone, example estrogen, testosterone, and eicosanoids function as chemical messengers in cellular signaling pathway. 5th, digestion and absorption. Bile salts derived from cholesterol aid in the digestion and absorption of dietary fats. 6th, waterproofing. Waxes from waterproof coating on the skin, fur, and feathers, protecting organisms from dehydration. 7. Vitamin absorption. Fat-soluble vitamin A, D, E, and K vitamins require lipids for their absorption and transport in the body. 8. Source of essential fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are vital for brain functions and reducing inflammation. 9. Thermal regulation. Adipose tissue act as insulator, regulating body temperature in cold environment. 10. Reservoir for biochemical precursors. Lipids serve as precursors for important biomolecules such as hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D. Example of lipid and their roles. Triglycerides, energy storage in adipose tissue. Phospholipids, form lipid bilayer in cell membranes. Steroids, cholesterol is a precursor for vitamin D and steroid hormone. 4th, waxes, prevent water loss in plant and animal. Biological importance of lipid. Lipids are indispensable in maintaining cellular integrity and function. They contribute to membrane fluidity, act as signaling mediator, and stores surplus energy. Disruptions in lipid metabolism can lead to disease such as obesity, cardiovascular disorders, and metabolic syndromes. Conclusions. Lipids with their diverse structure and functions are fundamental to life. From energy storage to cell signaling and structural support, they play a crucial role in maintaining biological process. Understanding their classifications and functions is vital in biochemistry for advancement in health and disease management. Reference.